Hello everyone. Today we will see the examples based on centroid of the section. This is the second example. Locate the centroid of the area as shown in figure with respect to OX and OY. Locate the centroid of the area as shown in figure with respect to OX and OY. This is the section number we consider. This is section 1, this is the section number 2, and this is the section number 3. First section is the rectangle, second section right angle triangle, and third section is the semicircle. Step first, let A1, A2, A3 is the area of section first, second, third respectively. X1 bar, X2 bar and X3 bar is the horizontal centroidal axis of section first, second and third respectively. X1 bar, X2 bar and X3 bar. First of all, what is meant by X1 bar? X1 bar means distance. This is the section number 1. So locate the point G1. This is G2 and this is G3. So what is meant by X1 bar? X1 bar means distance between point G1 to base of y-axis means X1 bar. X2 bar means point G2, distance between point G2 to base of y-axis means X2 bar, and X3 bar means point distance between point G3 to base of y-axis means X3 bar. X1 bar, X2 bar and X3 bar, all the axes are known as horizontal centroidal axis of the section 1, 2, 3. Okay, then Y1 bar, Y2 bar and Y3 bar is the vertical centroidal axis of section first, second and third respectively. So what is meant by Y1 bar? What is mean the Y1 bar, Y2 bar and Y3 bar? Y1 bar means distance of centroid. Distance between the point G1 to base of y-axis means Y1 bar. Second section G2. So Y2 bar, distance between point G2 to base of x-axis means Y2 bar, and distance between point G3 to base of x-axis means Y3 bar. So Y1 bar, Y2 bar and Y3 bar, all the three axes are known as vertical centroidal axis of section number first, second and third respectively. Therefore, centroids of A1, A2 and E3 are calculated and shown in table below. So this is the step second. Calculate the centroid of all these three sections. First of all, write section number, name of section, area of section, X bar and Y bar. Section number first, rectangle. Section number first, rectangle. Area of rectangle means A1. Area of section first means area of rectangle. B into D. What is the value of B? 6 meter into depth 4 meter. 6 into 4, 24 mm square. Then x bar, first section means x1 bar is equal to, x1 bar means distance between point G1 to base of y-axis, x1 bar. So this distance is 6 by 2 means 3 meter. Then y1 bar, distance between point G1 to base of y-axis, base of x-axis means y1 bar. So this is total 4 meter. Rectangle of y bar is d by 2 means 4 divided by 2. Then we get 2 meter. Y1 bar is equal to 2 meter. Then second section, triangle. Second section, right angle triangle. So what is the area of right angle triangle? A2 is equal to half into B into H, half into, what is the value of B? B is the 3 meter. So 1 by 2 into 3 into depth 4 meter. Depth 4 meter. 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 6 meter square. Then x2 bar is equal to, x2 bar means distance between point G2 to base of y-axis, x2 bar, this distance G2 to base of y-axis. So first of all we have to calculate point G2 to this point, means right angle triangle, this distance. So this distance is the B by 3. B by 3 plus this point to this point is 6 meter. So B3 plus 6 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 6. Then we get 7 meter. Then calculate Y2 bar. Y2 bar means distance between point G2 to base of x-axis, means Y2 bar. So what is the y bar of right angle triangle? H by 3. So is equal to, what is the value of H? Is the 4 meter. So 4 divided by 3 is equal to 1.33 meter. So third section, section number third. Section number third is the name of section, semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square by 2. So what is the value of r? R is the 2 meter. R is the 2 meter. So pi r square by 2 is equal to pi into 2 square divided by 2. Then we get 6.28 meter square. So calculate x3 bar. What is mean by x3 bar? Distance between point G3 to base of y-axis. G3 to base of y-axis, this distance is the x3 bar. So what is the value of x bar for semicircle? X bar is semicircle 4r by 3 pi. So this is the second quadrant. Then negative sign is equal to 4r by 3 pi is equal to minus 4r by 3 pi. What is the value of r? 4 into 2 is equal divided by 3 pi. Then we get minus 0.85 meter. Then y3 bar. Y3 bar means distance between point G3 to base of x-axis, means y3 bar. This is the y3 bar. So y3 bar is equal to r, then is equal to 2 meter. Then calculate the centroid of total section. Calculate the centroid of total section. Note, it may be noted that if any area is added to get the required composite figure, that area is taken positive, and if any area is subtracted to get the required composite figure, that area is taken negative in the calculation of centroid. Hence, here, since A3 is added to get the required composite figure, A3, see here, A3 is added to get the required composite figure, hence A3 is taken positive. A3 is added to get the required composite figure, hence A3 is taken positive, which means x bar is equal to summation ax bar divided by summation a. What is meant by summation ax bar? Means algebraic sum of product of area and distance of centroid of the horizontal section, and summation a means algebraic sum of all the areas of all section is equal to a1 x1 bar plus a2 x2 bar plus a3 x3 bar divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. So a1 x1 bar, what is the value of a1? 24 into x1 bar 3 plus a2 x2 bar a2 6 into x2 bar 7 plus a3 6.28 into x3 minus 0.85 divided by, what is the value of a1? 24 plus a2 6 plus a3 6.28. Then we get x bar is equal to 3 meter. X bar is equal to 3 meter. Then y bar is equal to summation ay bar divided by summation a is equal to a1 y1 bar plus a2 y2 bar plus a3 y3 bar divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Then a1 y1 bar, what is the value of a1? 24 into y1 bar 2 plus a2 6 into y2 bar 1.33 plus a3 6.28 into y3 2 divided by a1 24 plus 6 plus 6.28. Then we get y bar is equal to 1.89 meter. Then last step, location of x bar and y bar on given figure. Step third, location of x bar and y bar on given figure. See this figure, this is the G point, centroid of the body, and this is the reference axis OX and OY is the reference axis. HCG axis means horizontal centroidal axis and VCG means vertical centroidal axis. X bar is equal to, what is meant by x bar? The distance between point G to base of y axis means x bar. X bar is equal to 3 meter and y bar is equal to 1.89 meter. Y bar means distance between point G to base of x-axis. Base of x-axis. So y bar is equal to 1.89 meter and x bar is equal to 3 meter. So x bar and y bar are location of point G. x bar 3 meter and y bar 1.89 meter. Thank you.